Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert an image on a Word document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and we can see here many options. Now we choose the pictures option. Then we insert our file, choose a picture. Click the desktop or anything, then choose a picture. Then press insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.